I have been dreaming to own a robot vacuum like this, and I believe everyone does so. It is the DreameBot L10s Ultra. It is a really feature-packed robot vacuum that comes with auto mop and auto dust empty feature, and most importantly, it undercuts its competitors in the market at a really attractive price tag of 4,199 ringgit. So here's why you should definitely consider one if you don't have time to take care of your house and you require a really good robot vacuum to keep your house clean. Unlike other competitors in the market, the DreameBot L10s Ultra already comes with this excellent charging station right out of the box, which makes this such a great value. So what's inside this charging station is two 2.5 liter water tanks, one for clean water and the other for dirty water. But wait, there's more. There's another built-in cleaning solution right here that automatically dispenses cleaning solution into the clean water tank, and it goes to the robot's mop pad, which is the reason why I'm so loving this robot vacuum cleaner. Secondly, the charging station comes with its dustbin here. As you can see, this is a 3-liter dust bag, and Dreamy claims that it can store up to 60 days of dust. I'm not sure how they come to that calculation, but assuming if you're cleaning a 1,000 square foot apartment, it should probably last up to that number of days before you need a replacement. And that's a really great thing if you are actually a little lazy when it comes to emptying the dustbin of your robot vacuum. On top of the charging station, you get an LED indicator and 3 buttons. The first one being a home button that asks the robot to come back to the charging station. You get a mop rinse and mop dry button as well. So this is the mop pad cleaning area. As you can see, it is really dirty even after just days of usage. And thankfully, it is really easy to clean because all you need to do is to just take out this mop pad holder and use a wet cloth to wipe it clean. Now notice that there are 2 outlets right over here. The right one basically blows air into the robot vacuum's dustbin, and this left one basically sucks up the dust from the robot vacuum's dustbin. Now this is a really innovative design that I love a lot because traditionally most robot vacuums auto empty dust station only has a single duct that sucks dust out of this dustbin, and that's not the cleanest method. So thankfully it has one more air outlet here that blows air into it that forces all the dust to go out of the robot vacuum's dustbin. And let me show you how clean it is. So I'm just going to take out the robot vacuum's dustbin right now. So as you can see, this is a pretty big dustbin and we have been using for a few days. As you can see how dirty that mop pad cleaning area is, and as you can see, it is pretty clean. Just a bit of dust right here, but it is way cleaner than most other robot vacuum dustbins that I have seen out there. Now let's talk about the robot vacuum. The L10s Ultra features an RGB camera on the front that can be used for surveillance as well as helping the robot identify objects that is on the floor. It is also assisted by a LiDAR navigation sensor that helps to map out rooms really quickly and also does object detections really well. But what's unique to the L10s Ultra as compared to other robot vacuums out there is that it features an obstacle sensor right on the back here, which is something that you don't see on robot vacuums, as well as a self-raising mop. Now, the purpose of this self-raising mop is for carpets. Now, not many robot vacuums out there can vacuum carpets well because most of the time you'll find your carpets wet, and that's because the robot's mop pad just simply mops and dispenses water on your carpet, which is the reason why you will want to disable them. But with the DreameBot L10s Ultra, you no longer need to do that, as it automatically raises the mop so that it will not have contact with the carpet, as well as it increases its suction power to ensure your carpet is clean. The DreameBot L10s Ultra features a tangle-free brush, which is very useful if you have pets at home. This is how the brush looks like, and notice that there's no hair tangles on the main brush area, only just at the side, which you can easily brush it off if you want to do some basic maintenance to the robot vacuum. Like other modern Dreamy robot vacuums, the L10s Ultra uses the Dreamy Home app, which is a very user-friendly robot vacuum app that I enjoy a lot. So this is what you get on the home screen when you pair the Dreamy L10s Ultra over to the app. So you can access the robot's camera by just tapping on this real-time camera button, and you can immediately start cleaning by pressing the start cleaning button as well. But let's head on to the settings and check out what we can do here. So this is the map that the robot vacuum has generated for me. It is very accurate based on our studio size, but what's interesting here is that it can generate 3D objects like this. It can recognize that I have a big sofa right there, so I'm sure it is something that helps its object detection feature. And one thing that I'm very impressed when using the L10s Ultra during this past few weeks is that it has a pretty good object detection feature that is unseen on many other robot vacuums that I have tested. Now let's head on over to the settings right here. I'm just going to show you my cleaning history on its road paths, right? So let's just go to this December 28 cleaning session. As you can see, it has a very thorough cleaning path, and it has avoided obstacles really well. As you can see, these purple dots are basically obstacles. Unfortunately, based on history, I can't see what are these objects, but if let's say you have just completed a cleaning session, you can basically see what objects that it has detected and has avoided successfully. So for those who are concerned about their privacy when the robot is taking pictures while cleaning, Dreamy has a privacy policy which you can agree or disagree within the app here. So on this third paragraph here, it says that in order to show you the obstacle photos through the app, the photos taken will be transmitted to your mobile device through the server in encrypted form. And the photos on the server will automatically deleted within a reasonable period. So I'm not sure what they meant by reasonable period, but I'm sure it's probably like a week or a couple of days, because as you can see in the cleaning history just now, I can no longer see my obstacle photos already, which is something that I think is great. But if you're really concerned about that, you should really just drop an email to Dreamy and talk to them about this privacy policy. Next, I'm going to talk about the self-cleaning settings. So right on this setting here, you can configure how frequent do you want the robot to go back to the dock to clean in every cleaning session. So by default, it is set to 15 square meters, which is actually a pretty reasonable area. So after cleaning for 15 square meters, it will return to clean, and it will continue to clean right after that. Or you can configure by zones if you have multiple rooms inside your home. Next, you have the dry mop pad. So by default, it is set at 2 hours, but you can increase it to 4 hours if you want to. So that's definitely an improvement from the Dreamy W10 Pro, which also comes with a auto mop pad drying feature. So you even get an auto empty feature here. You can auto empty like a couple of times to ensure that the dustbin is clean, like you can set up to 3 times. But I'm just going to show you how loud the auto empty feature sounds, because some people are actually afraid that it might sound too loud, right? So let's just press start auto empty now.
Start auto empty.
So as you can hear, it's not really loud at all, and it takes about 5 seconds to empty the robot's dustbin. So this is the camera quality of the L10s Ultra. As you can see, it looks pretty good for a robot vacuum, though you shouldn't compare it with your smartphone camera. You can capture photos, or you can take a 20-second video and save it into your smartphone, which is actually pretty useful. And you can even like make a voice call over to the robot vacuum if you want to talk to your kid or pet. But most importantly, when you use the camera while the robot is running, it doesn't activate its vacuum function, so it is totally silent, which makes it a really good surveillance robot at home. Overall, I really appreciate the convenience of the DreameBot L10s Ultra. It cleans my office really well, it automatically rinses the mop pads, it raises the mop pads when it detects it's on carpets, and finally, it auto-empties the dustbin whenever it's done with every cleaning session. It is a dream robot vacuum that I have always wanted to own. So in terms of pricing, it retails at 4,199 ringgit officially, but for a limited time, Dreamy Malaysia is selling it at an introductory price of 3,999 ringgit. But if you are really serious in considering getting one of these great robot vacuums, you can enjoy a 250 ringgit discount by entering the voucher code in the description below to enjoy that benefit. And on top of that, you get to have an easy installment of up to 18 months with your credit card, and you can even stand a chance to win a Dreamy hair dryer if you are one of the first 100 customers that purchase this robot vacuum. Alright, so that sums up my review of the DreameBot L10s Ultra. It's a really great robot vacuum that I highly recommend that you go check out. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming right up on the channel. Make sure to stay subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.